What up, YouTube? Yes, sir. Back again with another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your boy switched up 2.6 here. We at the garage, man. We got some more goodies coming in for the 79. Yes, sir. Some more. I'm sorry, not 79. 78. 78 cut dog. So, we got some parts here, man. We got some parts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick open it up, and then we're gonna talk about a little bit of the parts that we got. So, and we're gonna go from there, man. We're gonna go from there. So, but what we got in today, man, fresh off the truck. Fresh off the truck. Yes, sir. Fresh off the truck. We got that CFV. Serpentine belt kit. Yes, sir. See this big old box with all the goodies. I'll slide this thing over here. Get it over here by the LS, man. Y'all see the LS, man. I started grinding it down, getting a little bit clean, man. So we get ready to throw this fresh paint on it. Throwing that Pour 15 enamel engine paint on it, man. That bluish green color, or Chevy blue, as they say. Well, as the sticker says. But here we go, man. Give this a shot, bro. Like I said, though, man, we've been busy, man. We've been straight busy at the shop, man. It's not a bad thing, it's a good thing, but I haven't had no time to really work on the car. As y'all can see, we knee deep in everything right now, man. Just pulled the transmission out, waiting on the other one to come back. We got a motor job we're working on. Got to pull this motor out. They had a bad load on the cam, so they had a bad misfire, so she coming up out of there. See, she got in coming in, ride. Finally got them tags on that thing. But yeah, man, we got a Camaro out here. Transmission got to come out of that. We got to put a clutch in that, slave cylinder. So yeah, man, we've been busy, man. I ain't had no time to really do nothing. Plus the inspections and every little thing else that we do, man. Little small jobs. That stuff take up time, man. So it adds up and it slows me down, man. But like I said, bro, we got them parts in. I'll pop this thing open real quick. So, yup. CVF, I'm sorry, CVF, man. Serpentine belt kit system, man. Yes, caught this thing on a crazy deal, man. Crazy deal, man. What I be saying, bruh, stack your bread, so when them deals pop up, man, you can grab some stuff, man. You can grab it. So you're gonna see how bad this set is. Got this set for 1,300 bucks, man. Originally a $2,000 system, man. They said it had some scratches and stuff on it. So we're gonna see how bad it is, y'all. We'll see how bad it is. Shit, I don't know how bad it can be scratched up. Everything is on individual box and taped the fuck up. Like, so I don't get it. But I ain't mad at them. I ain't. You know, see what this bracket look like. This should be the mountain bracket. It goes on the front. Should be the mountain bracket. Cut that down real quick, y'all. Damn, y'all, what y'all think? I don't see a scratch. That shit be good too, boy. Yes, I don't know what scratch and ding, but we gonna find out. We gonna find out. Yes, sir. That looks good, y'all. That look real good. Drop it down. Got the built. Built. That's what I need to this time, man. I'm gonna make sure I write down this damn whatchamacallit and this brand.
These are the accessories too?
Yeah.
Like when you order this one?
Yeah, same thing. Okay. Everything is individually boxed, man. Everything. Right here. Power steering pump. Oh, you want no reservoir, man. I hope the reservoir came with it. Here we go. Here we go again. No scratches and dings on that, y'all. Power steering pump. Man, this look like the same exact setup that I had, bro. Okay, we got a few little nicks and stuff on there, man, but that ain't... I don't care about that. You ain't even gonna see it. And if you're looking that hard at it, get up out my hood, cuz. Get up out my hood. Yes, you looking at it that hard. But shoot, she
got a few nicks on it.
Yeah, a few little nicks. That thing, you can't even really notice it far.
They sent it back.
Yeah, I ain't crying about that price.
That's perfect. That shit look good too. It's all matte.
So we did get a good deal on this, y'all. We did get a good deal. This thing was originally $2,200 and we got it for like $1,350. So I ain't even concerned about them little nicks and scratches. Like, as long as it ain't got no chunks missing out of it, we good, man. We ain't got no chunks. Yeah, I probably would have ended up scratching a little bit, those little scratches anyway before installing it, you know what I'm saying? It's actually just like the exact same setup from the 68, you know what I'm saying? The 68 Serpentine built system, man, so not bad. Got a lot of boxes. A lot of phone boxes. Air filter. Real.
Hey, Journey. I got them buns. I got them buns.
That's the adapter for the AC compressor, y'all.
Good, too, boys.
Built tensioner. Brand new built tensioner. Got the hardware cover right there. Okay. So not bad.
Yes,
Not bad. Look like it got the bolts and everything mounting down too.
And let me add to your YouTube. Let's talk about Chef Boy RT. Chef Boy RT, how he be looking out for the boys around here. Look at that. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your boy be throwing down on the grill too, man. Grill too, man. Yes, sir. Y'all boys don't know. Cause I make a haul every year. Every year, man. Go back to my Instagram, you'll see me you'll see that posted up on my Instagram, man. So and where I be cooking whole hogs and stuff like that, man. So yes sir, your boy get down, man. Your boy get down. So let's see what we got here. That's my water pump. We got this little yeah, got a few little scratches and stuff on there, but you ain't even gonna see that, man. You ain't even gonna see that. So, got a few little dents, scratches on it. I ain't tripping. Like I said, as long as we ain't got no knocks, no beams, no chunks out of it. We goofy, man. Y'all see your boy trying to record on 2 cameras. Yes, sir. But it ain't got no notches or dents on it or anything, man. So she look good to me, y'all. What y'all think? Drop below in the comments and let me know right now, though. Yes, sir. What y'all think? By the way, man, take a moment right now, yo, and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your post notification bells on, man, so you stay up to date on what we got going on in the 2.6, man. Make sure you share it and like it as well, man. Give your boy a like button, man. Y'all boys sitting here watching the videos, man. Go ahead and give me a like button, man, so your boys can get in this algorithm. You know what I'm saying? They can put my videos on spin. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Help a brother out, yo. As my man on Poor Man Podcast says, give me that HBO special, man. That HBO special. Oh, yeah, I'll be up on that stuff, too. I won't just be watching cars on YouTube. I ain't opening up all these little boxes. These should be like boats and stuff. I ain't worried about no boats having no scratches. Exact same stuff that's on that other car, man. Yep. Exact same stuff. Don't really see no scratches or dings on there. So that's a good thing. One thing good about this kit is all my components are pretty much the same on these Serpentine belts, so I'll be able to find everything. I already got a few extra components around anyway.
You already know the quality of it because you got it on the other car.
Yeah.
You ain't had no problem with that.
So, man, what y'all think, man? What y'all think? Yes, sir. What y'all think? So, yes, sir. But like I said, we're gonna show y'all a little bit of what we got for the car, man. I've been having parts constantly coming in. As y'all remember, we got it tore all the way down. Got the bumpers dropped off for powder coat. Started working on my studs. I ain't finished that yet. Standalone harness. Oh yes, sir. Got to show y'all my intake. Look at that fresh intake, brand new. Slap it on there, let y'all see that. This intake right here. Set it up there, make sure she right. Make sure she right for you. She's sitting sideways, but yes, she gonna look good, man. Low profile. Brand new, man. I'm telling you. Ain't nothing on this car we ain't touching, man. Ain't nothing on this car we ain't touching, yo. Believe that. So, what else I can show y'all, man? Got a digital dash, man. I forgot how to say their damn name. Can't remember, man. But there's a little digital dash in Ford. Holly fuel pump, in tank. That's for the LS swap, man. So we ain't gotta do nothing crazy for the fuel system, man. What else we got laying over here, man? One of this box. Those are the we got the can't even get it out. Coilovers, y'all. We got front and rear coilovers. These are the bumper fillers. Fresh oil pan, low profile oil pan for the G body, y'all. Oil pump neck. Yes, sir. So y'all, this fresh thing, all bliggity black. I ain't even gonna touch her. We gonna put her, mount her straight out the box. I'm gonna leave her black. So new gasket, new filler neck, new tank straps, fuel tank straps. So man, there's nothing we not touching, man. There's nothing that we're not touching. What we got? Motor mounts. We got adjustable motor mounts. We got headers. What else we got, man? Got a little fuel box, a standalone wire harness fuse box. So parts everywhere, man. So hold up, man. Let me get this phone call. I'll turn y'all back on, man. All right, y'all. So we back, man. It's about 2 days later, man. Work, man. So I'm gonna try to finish up this video, man. But like I said, man, we got parts for days, bro. I got the tank straps. While I'm thinking about it, still waiting on the guy from the powder coat for my damn bumpers. We got the radiator in, man. 2 style, 3 row. Got the electric fans on it. Sucker heavy. Got the camera, y'all, so y'all see it, man. Electric fans came with the relay kit, temperature sensor and everything for the LS already. So will be 2 sensors on here. Sensor and everything. So that's already the new fuel pump, man. I mean fuel tank, man. I was working on the one. I'll throw that clip in the video too. Up the tank. Getting the tank all grinded off. I ain't found no leaks on it or nothing. I had it out for a couple weeks. We ain't seen no leaks or nothing on it. So I'm grinding it down, getting the rust and stuff off of it. You know what I'm saying? Getting a little bit cleaner. And then we're gonna prime it up and we're gonna paint it, man. So we're getting the whole bottom just as we doing the frame and stuff on the car. I was working on the original one, man. Was grinding it down, trying to get it clean. And we got paint leaking. I mean, we had gas leaking, man. So I just threw it off to the side, man. Matter of fact, I got it still sitting out here. I just threw it off to the side and went ahead and ordered another one, man. I was like, forget that, bro. I don't take no chances. I don't want no gas leak. So yeah, we just trashed the whole thing, man. Threw it outside, man. It was leaking gas. I don't know how long that gas was sitting in it anyway, so, but you see it's wet right there, bro. Still leaking. I grinded a little bit of that rust off and then it just started seeping out. I was like, oh, she done. Ordered one that same night, man. So, well, we got a little bit of everything now. Got a little bit of everything. What else came in? Y'all know about the motor already. The transmission. What else we get in? We got some of everything, bro. Fuel pump, digital dash. This is new hardware. Little shims. Got some of everything, bro. Got new hardware for the rear and front control arms, man. Changing everything, bro. Changing everything. We got these are the coilover system, man. And I didn't go with nothing expensive, man. I did go with the eBay joints, man. So I wasn't tripping, man. I paid $800 for that set for the front and the rear. So I'm not tripping. I ain't racing, man. Y'all boys see me out here, man. Just expect to see me clean. I don't care nothing about their speed. I just want to be running. I want to be running good. I want my car to be clean. And that's all that matters to me, man. My ticket life is over, man. I did the Fast and the Furious stuff back in the day. You know what I'm saying? That was enough for me, man. I got enough tickets, lost my license, and car insurance was high for 2 years for that crap. So, man, I'm done with the speed. So, y'all cancel Christmas. When y'all see me, yeah, it sound good. She gonna be chopping. But I'm gonna let you take off by yourself. Telling you right now. Telling you right now. So, like I said, we got some of everything, man. I got new starter bolts. I got new hardware, man. I got heat shield sleeves for the spark plugs. Some of everything in here, man. I got stuff everywhere, bro. I got me a new brake booster, a new reservoir already. Still gotta finish this floor, man. Still gotta finish this floor. I've just been busy, man. What else? I got me a new AC. What you call that thing? Not an evaporator or whatever this thing is called. Condenser for the AC. I got me a new heater coil already. I gotta clean this box up. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that real quick. Yeah, man, but yeah, we got some of everything. Got some of everything right now, so I think that's about it, man. That's all I can think of right now. But we got everything ready down for this LS swap, man. Whole front end kit. There on my transmission dipstick. Mount on the wall. Firewall of the car. That's the whole front end. We already got our ball joints installed, if y'all remember, from when we painted the control arms and stuff already. So, a few more things we gotta get for the motor, sensors, stuff like that. Got our spark plugs already in our motor already, so I gotta go ahead and get this electric pedal. So I gotta go ahead and get this electric pedal. So it's a few things that we still have to get. But I need to get back and start painting, man, so I can get ready to go ahead and start throwing it together. Hoping to get moving here soon. But hey, we'll see. Time will tell. So, man, I'm gonna end this one right here, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your post notification bell so you stay up to date on what we got going on in 2.6, man. So, hey, thanks again, man. I'll catch y'all next time.